Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet slippers ideas. It's very amazing addition in crochet items. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because we were all the designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful ideas. You can see these are beautiful and attractive slippers. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive design of handmade crochet slippers ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular designs. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different attractive designs of handmade crochet slippers. So must make this beautiful design for yourself for more comfortable and outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you some benefits of crochet slippers. These are some benefits including these are comfortable crocheted slippers provide softness and comfort for your feet, especially during summer weather. And customization, you can choose your favorite color, yarn and size to create a personalized fit. Soft and gentle crocheted slippers are often made with soft yarn, making them gentle on your feet. Non-slip soles, you can add non-slip soles and or grips to prevent slipping and falling. Easy to clean, crocheted slippers are usually easy to wash and dry. Cost effective, making your own slipper can save you money compared to buying them. Relaxation and stress relief, the processing of crocheting can be calming and meditative. Personal and um, ideas, you will have the certification of creating something with your own hands, making the thoughtful gift. Handmade crocheted slipper can be a cozy and appreciated gift for loved ones. Sustainable and eco-friendly, crocheting your own slippers reduce waste and supports slow fashion. Would you like me to provide a pattern or tips for crocheting slippers? So viewer, if you all love these article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. So viewer, when you press the bell icon you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. And be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. You can see viewers, the designs are very amazing and the color combination are very attractive, and the creator was very cool. So be support me like this forever viewers. I am very happy to see this. My all the YouTube community are very supportive, very kind. So thank you so much and stay tuned with me and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, my lovely viewers, see you soon and take care and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.